close your eyes once again, take a deep breath, and plunge into the absolute blackness behind your eyelids. Let's talk about the biology of your prison. Right now, inside your skull, your brain is floating in total, sterile darkness. It has never seen a ray of light. It has never heard a single sound. It is trapped in a silent, bony vault, completely isolated from the universe. So, how do you see the walls around you? How do you hear my voice? All your brain receives are chaotic streams of raw electrical signals passing through your optic and auditory nerves. That's it, just spikes of electricity. According to groundbreaking research in neuroscience and the famous works of scientist Anil Seth, your brain does not record the world like a camera. It guesses it. Your brain is a prediction machine. It combines your past memories, your fears, and your expectations to generate a shape, a color, and a sound. Look into the science. You are not experiencing the world as it is. You are experiencing a highly sophisticated, real-time rendering created entirely by your mind. The reality you touch is just the final output of an internal biological simulation. Keep your eyes closed. Stay in the void. Let us step deeper into the cold world of physics. In quantum mechanics, there's a famous concept called the Double-Slit experiment. Scientists discovered that subatomic particles, the very building blocks of your body and the universe, exist only as a wave of infinite possibilities until someone looks at them. The moment an observer measures a particle, the wave collapses into solid matter. Do you understand what this means? John Wheeler, one of the greatest physicists of the 20th century, called this the participatory universe. Matter does not exist out there independently. Your brain in the darkness is collapsing the waves of the universe into solid shapes every millisecond. The street you walk on, the stars in the night sky, and the person sitting across from you do not have a defined shape until your brain processes them. Medical studies on visual agnosia prove that a specific sector of your brain glitches. You can look at your own mother's face and see nothing but a random cluster of geometric shapes. The person didn't change. The physical world didn't change. Your brain just stopped generating the illusion of her identity. The grand illusion is losing its grip. If our brains are just guessing reality, why do we all see the same things? Why do we agree that the sky is blue and fire is hot? Science gives us a terrifyingly simple answer. Because we are all running the same biological software. Evolution has calibrated our brains to share the exact same survival parameters. In neuroscience, it is an established fact. Perception is a controlled hallucination. And when we agree about our hallucinations, we call it reality. But what happens when a control protocol fails? What happens during a deep fever or a sensory deprivation test? Or right now, as you listen to this signal in total darkness, the brain stops predicting the external world and starts leaking its own raw data. The walls begin to breathe. Time begins to bend. You are not a human being walking inside a world. You are the world. You are a solitary consciousness in a dark vault, hallucinating a vast cosmos of stars, oceans, and civilizations just to keep yourself from remembering the truth. When you open your eyes next time, look at the world and ask yourself, is it real? Or is your brain just keeping the hallucination under control? Signal fading out. Stay asleep, user 1.